Hello, good morning. My name is Chef Sumit Pant, and with me I have two very bright students from BCHMCT, future chefs, I must say, Thapa and Divya. And these two guys want to experiment today in kitchen, and I would say this is rather an experimental video. I'm not sure what the product is going to be, but this is their idea. So let's see. They want to make a kebab. What is the recipe? How they're going to make it? We'll take it from here, and they're going to explain to us.
टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू मेक एक्सपेरिमेंटल डिश। आज हम लोग कबाब बनाएंगे, जो कि हम मार्केट में जो कबाब खाते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा उसमें मेहनत लगती है। तो इसलिए हम ऐसा कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट करने वाले हैं जिसमें ये जो कबाब हैं वो हम लोग घर घर में बना के खाएँ, एंड बहुत ही कम इंग्रेडिएंट के साथ बनाएंगे, एंड स्टिल द टेस्ट विल बी सिमिलर टू दैट कबाब विच वी ईट इन मार्केट। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस. They will tell you the ingredients.
Yes. Thank you everyone. Thank you Divya. So to make the recipe, we are going to use chicken breast, one chicken breast. We are going to use one onion, and some ginger and garlic and coriander and still bread and some chilies. We are also going to use pepper and salt for seasoning, and one egg for the bread. So these are the all ingredients which are going to use for the recipe, for the experiment, and some extra fat also for the tenderness in the dish. And we are also going to chop all the vegetables
now we have
roughly
chopped all the ingredients. Now we have to put this one by one in the blender. This is ginger and garlic, and now some onions, and this is garlic, and some corianders, chilies roughly chopped, and this is extra hot fat, chicken meat.
With that, we are also going to add some still bread to it. Just break it and put it. And with that, we are going to add a egg all broken to it. And with that, we are going to also add some seasoning. Now we are going to blend it into a very fine paste. So we have turned all the ingredients into a very fine paste, as you can see, and we are going to transfer this into another bowl, and we are going to cook it.
This is how the mixture looks like after grinding, and for making up patties of it, we are using water so that it doesn't get stick to our hand. So let's make one of it. We have to make a thin patty, and after this we have to shallow fry it. Once they are brown, we will flip it.
The kebabs are ready now, so we are going to take it out in the plate.